Well, Ron Lafferty's latest attempt to save his own life was denied. In 1984, Lafferty claims he had a divine revelation to murder his own sister-in-law and her child. His brother Dan also was convicted of the double murders. Well, he's been on death row since 1996 and has filed appeal after appeal. The latest denial coming from the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals, which puts him one step closer to his execution. Well, for every crime, there's a story in The Truth Matters. Here's ABC4's Marcos Ortiz with tonight's Justice Files.
Ron Lafferty has few options left after this latest setback from the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals. In fact, a warrant for his execution is now a reality.
They essentially declared that jurisdiction has been extinguished in all federal courts.
It means for Ron Lafferty, the end is near. Technically, he's been on death row since 1985. Ron and his brother Dan Lafferty were members of the School of Prophets, a spin-off of fundamentalist Mormonism. Both were convicted of murdering their sister-in-law, Brenda Lafferty, and her young child. Ron claimed it was God's plan.
Yes, I think I noted that as a revelation that I had received when I was in the School of the Prophets, yes.
Dan Lafferty was convicted of the murders but is serving a life sentence when the jury couldn't reach a unanimous decision. Meanwhile, a different jury ordered Ron to be executed in 1985. It was appealed, and eventually another jury reached the same conclusion 11 years later. 35 years later, Brenda Lafferty's family is still waiting.
It just seemed like nothing was ever going to happen, and I still wonder if it'll even be in my lifetime.
But Lafferty is running out of time. He's nearly exhausted all of his appeals. On October 17th, the 10th Circuit closed the door on Lafferty once and for all. A prosecutor with the Attorney General's office says the outcome wasn't surprising.
Not at all. The motion that Mr. Lafferty filed was frivolous on its face.
As a result, there's no more reviews pending in state and federal court. The next move could come from the Attorney General's office.
All federal jurisdiction is extinguished. The state of Utah is now free to seek an execution warrant.
But attorneys for Ron Lafferty now plan to appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court. State prosecutors doubt the court will take up the case. Once it's officially denied, the Attorney General's office will then apply for a warrant for Ron Lafferty's execution. For the Justice Files, Marcos Ortiz, ABC4 News.